changes in this commitment to this program this afternoon. Your presider, yours truly, and after this, we will sing our song that gets involved. Then the opening prayer will be offered by Pastor Pedro Hinimago, our SSD Youth Director. Then the special music, followed special music by Adams Center Choir. Then the introduction of the speaker by Pastor Carlito Fede, our mission refocus for SSD. Then the message. We have the candle lighting by the delegates and the dedicatory song by STPUM and SWPUC Mass Choir. Then we have the dedicatory prayer by our Pastor